Hey, my name is Lewis. Welcome to GONETOOLING. We're going to check out some impact drivers. We have some Ridgid 18 volt and some Bosch 12 volt. We're going to see what we can screw. Here we're going to test out can a 12 volt compare to an 18 volt. I know that the power difference 18 volt, 12 volt, and through the makes and models of the different brands and all that stuff, but I just wanted to show you pretty much this Bosch. This is the Bosch PS42, and I carry this. This is pretty much my daily. I used to carry this Ridgid 18 volt when I used to do installs and all that stuff, but now I do service work, so I need something more compact, more easy to carry, lightweight, and I found this Bosch PS. First I found this PS 41. It did not come with a belt clip. This one broke, but then I got it warranted. But in the meantime of it getting fixed, I got this PS 42, which does come with the belt clip, and it's pretty much the only one that does come with the belt clip, which is a plus in my book. So let's get this started. What we're gonna do is gonna screw some regular screws in, some inch screws, 1.5 inches, 3 inches, and then we're gonna screw some lag bolts in to see what struggles the most, which one works the best, and the reason why I carry this Bosch. Let's get started. So there you go. Which one do you think worked best? Again, like I said, this is my daily. I really like carrying this thing. The only problem I have now is that my lights stopped working. But other than that, full charge. I lost 1 bar on the 18 volt. Full charge on the 12 volt. I really like these Bosch 12 volt impact drivers. This is the Bosch PS42, and that was the Ridgid 18 volt impact driver. To me, hands down, the Bosch 12 volt beat the 18 volt. But hey, you decide. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks, guys.